Well, we're replacing this. This is an aftermarket, and I figured out it was a 2019 battery, February 2019. And it's aftermarket most, because yeah, they don't put these in the Smart ForTwo. CCA is 600, and it's a 12.6 or something like that voltage. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. It's a 12.6 for voltage, and it has the green dot in there. So this battery is good. So I'm not sure what's going on, but we're going to change the battery anyway, just to be sure. If we still have problems after this, this AGM battery has more cold cranking amps, and I haven't measured the voltage on it. But we're going to put it in the smart car and get it changed out, because I don't know, the alarm just keeps sounding off all the time, so I'm not sure what's going on. But I cleaned the terminals and everything else, so that might be part of the problem. So after, you know, this many years, the terminals are not clean, so I cleaned those, and I'll put dielectric grease on it, and then we'll go ahead and put the new battery in and see what's going on. If the alarm keeps going off, I may have to investigate further what's going on with it. Yeah, so hopefully it's just battery and not electrical gremlins, but we'll see. And let's see, we got my favorite assistant, Milka. She's helping me handle the battery and get it in here, because I can't really lift it. So she's helping me slide it out, and then she's sliding it back in, and then I'll make the connections. So yeah, she's reducing the work on me. But yeah, we'll get it in. We'll let it charge just a little bit longer, and then we'll put that AGM in there and see what it does. Well, we do have the AGM battery in there. All I got to do is mark it with the date. I don't know if there's a date on it, but I'm going to mark it the date it was installed. And then I'll just write it up over here someplace, and then with the paint pen, and then we'll know what we got. But anyway, we'll go ahead and start it here a second and see if it starts better. Thank you, my assistant. Now let's see if we can actually start the car. Let's give it a start. 3, 2, 1. It started good. Alrighty. Well, running good. So I don't know what else to say. It is running good. So anyway, that's a new battery in a smart car. A little bit of wrangling to get out. 10 millimeters is all you require, which makes things easy. And yeah, looks like it's starting up. Now we just got to reset all the radios and everything else, but it started. It's running good. It's not even feeling like it. Last time when the battery was in there, it almost felt like it was running rough. So I'm thinking it needed a new battery, because this one's reading 13.13 volts. The other one is, best it could do is 12.6. So yeah, I'm thinking it just needed a new battery. So we're all good. Now Mama can drive her smart car again, right? Good to go. Thanks for watching. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you all to have a great day too. What do you say? Like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. Yay!